Talent Search program. For the month of April, we have some tips for you about finding your first job, some things that can help you when you're thinking about starting looking for work and your career in the future. So stay tuned for tips from our staff about career skills.
Hello, my name is Richard Burns. I'm a college success coach at TCC. I'm here to talk to the ones that are about to go out and find their first job. Make sure when you find your first job, you find a job that you can pretty much say that's your niche. Because when you get on this particular job, it has to be something that you love. You want to be a very professional person on this job. And if you don't like this job, then you will not be professional on this job. So make sure you go out and find a job that is your niche, something that you like to do. My first job was brick mason. I was the type of person that liked to put things together. Brick mason fell right in place. Brick mason and carpentry was going hand in hand for me. So once I started this job, I liked it. Until this day, my first job is still something that I do part-time. That's because I found my niche. Make sure when you go out and find your job, your first job, make sure you find something that is your niche.
The next tip we want to share with you about career skills is professionalism. Professionalism is very, very important because employers want new employees to be responsible. They want you to be ethical. They want you to be team-oriented. And they want you to present yourself in a professional manner. And when you present yourself in a professional manner, you want to make sure that you're groomed properly. You want to make sure that your clothes are pressed and ironed properly. You want to make sure that when you show up on time. You want to make sure that you are maintaining effective work habits in order to make the employer know that this job is something that you enjoy and it is extremely important to you.
And the last tip is to always do your best. This job that you are on, remember, people are always watching you. And so by doing your best, one, you might get a promotion, you might get offered extra opportunities, and a lot of times with jobs, it can be who you know. So you want to do your best job every day because someone could come in and see you, and that could lead you to the next good thing and then the next good thing. We're talking about your best effort. You don't want to be slacking, you don't want to be lazy, you don't want to be late. You want to do your best every time you enter the workplace.